Hello everyone, welcome back with Revit basic tutorials how to paint walls. Okay, I will go to new project, and in here we create simple walls. You can use wall tools, and I will use rectangles. You can set for height into 4000. I will draw in here. Change into 3D view. I will click these icons to move into 3D view. And then if you want to paint these walls, you can go to modify tab, click in here, and you can use these tools, paint. It will be automatically show for material browser. And you can search for your materials. For example, I will use these materials. And then you can click in walls, it will be automatically play for this cover. You also can set again like with use these materials. Okay, you can click, it will be changed, you can see. And then for the others, I will use wood material, so I will use these materials, and you can click in a surface of wall, so it will be automatically paint walls. Okay, that's it, how to paint walls in Revit. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.